About India. India is a unique country in the world. It consists of highest mountains, ancient plateaus, vast plains, long coastline and deserts. It has varied geographical features, different climatic conditions, soils and natural vegetations. The lofty Himalayas are responsible for the geographical and climatic unity of India. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two near equal halves. It is unique for its versatile physical features and important geographical location. Extents of India. Northernmost extent Himalayas. Southernmost tip Cape Comorin or Kanyakumari. Indian subcontinent. It includes India with Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh. India is a big geographical unit cut off from the rest of Asia by the Great Himalayas. Time. There is an great differences in the local time of various places in India due to 29 degree of differences in the longitudes. The time difference between the easternmost point of Arunachal Pradesh and westernmost point of Gujarat is almost 2 hours. India's neighbors. 7 countries sharing the land boundaries with India. Northwest, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Northeast, China, Nepal and Bhutan. East, Myanmar and Bangladesh. South, Sri Lanka and Maldives are the neighbors across the sea. Pak Strait is the narrow stretch of water that separates India and Sri Lanka. Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean in the world which is named after a country. The Indian Peninsula in the south divides the Indian Ocean into Arabian Sea in the western side and Bay of Bengal in the eastern side. Indian Peninsula Islands. Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are parts of India. These are the homes to the oldest human races like Jarava, Onge and Sentinelese. They hunt with bows and arrows, clubs, etc. They have no contact with the outside world. Neighboring countries with India's land boundary. Pakistan. India's land boundary states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir. Bangladesh. India's land boundary states are West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram. China. India's land boundary states are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Bhutan. India's land boundary states are Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal and Assam. Nepal. India's land boundary states are Sikkim, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Myanmar. India's land boundary states are Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.